Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. Here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle, 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe Essential all-wheel drive. So packages changed in 19. Added a lot of safety features, a couple different packages. So this is one of the new ones. It's an Essential with a safety pack. We'll show you some of the features on the inside. We got the H-Track all-wheel drive. Got the nice alloy wheels. Got a nice exhaust tip down there. Santa Fe, obviously a bestseller for as many years as I can remember. It's been around since, I believe, 2002, maybe 2001. Somebody wants a trivia challenge to me there. So again, lots of standard features. You got the fog lights, big beefy Hyundai grille, alloy wheels, which we already talked about. The hood's in nice shape, glass is in nice shape, roof is in nice shape. And you got the side rails. You can always add the cross rails if you have a ski box, kayak carrier, bike carrier, something like that. So again, very versatile. Have a look at the trunk. Keep the mats back here, keep them nice and clean. So again, massive trunk for an SUV. You got anchors on all three seats. So if you have child seats, you have the ability to add up to 3. Those seats are 60-40 split folding, so you get a little bit additional cargo space. Make sure the kids are out before you fold those seats down. Important. Got your jack, some storage, and additional storage compartments down there. Great place. Santa Fe's always had that for as long as I can remember. It's really nice to have, especially if you're parking your vehicle somewhere, leaving some stuff, heading out of town, maybe leaving at the airport. Throw all your goods in there, no one will see them. Again, fold them, leave them up. Very versatile. Santa Fe, Santa Fe, Santa Fe. Okay, let's keep going. So you got nice cloth seats, you got cup holders in the center here. Those can fold up. Carpets are in nice shape. You got some rear ventilation. You also have some plug-ins for the kids, for the iPads, or the parents, or the adults, whoever's in the back. Get those iPads out. You got the power to charge. Power windows in the rear. We keep going. Keyless entry, obviously, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have the ability to lock those rear windows as well. Keep those kids safe. Adjustable driver seats, so you can raise the seat up, down. You can also adjust the back piece, and there's a lever underneath the seat to move it back and forward. So again, the ability to customize the seat. So you also have the ability to adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning, 4-wheel drive lock, and traction control, which you can shut off. Not sure why you would. Maybe do some donuts in the parking lot. I don't know. Anyways. What do I know? I'm just showing you the car. Whatever you do after that, it's up to you. Again, Bluetooth hands-free calling, Bluetooth all on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Cruise control. You also have the ability to adjust how close you get to another vehicle in your adaptive cruise when it decides to slow down. So again, lots of safety features there. This one comes with a little Sirius XM satellite radio, so again, if you have a subscription, I guess you can plug it into there, get your Sirius going. That is added to the vehicle. Your 12 volts, all that USB auxiliaries are all standard on this vehicle. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, all here, 3-stage. I'm going to turn that off or I will roast. Air conditioning, front rear defrost. Easy to use, all the tips of the driver's fingertips. So again, easy to use and functional, that's what I like. Bluetooth. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities, so plug your Apple phone in, plug your Android phone in, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, your music, your pictures. If is the car in park, you can even play a video on here. So play a video, do a little camping trip in your Santa Fe. I'm just coming up with ideas, mumbling on here. You got your backup camera, standard, obviously, hazards right here. Lots of standard features, guys. Essential all-wheel drive. Essentially, you have everything you need. Only 41,000 kilometers. Warranty, almost close to 6,000 kilometers of warranty. Again, that's awesome. It's all about warranty. So again, we just looked at a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe Essential all-wheel drive. Gorgeous vehicle, local trade. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. Call, text, or email if you have any questions. Follow us on Facebook. I'm not going to say it again. Follow us on Facebook. Tons of giveaways. We're always giving away cool stuff, whether you're in the market or not. Again, we look forward to seeing you soon for your next newer vehicle, pre-owned vehicle purchase.